Hey friends, today we have an interesting topic to talk about. Whether you're a job seeker or just looking to expand your professional network, having a killer LinkedIn profile is a must and it can be a game changer for you. As a senior software engineer with over 10 years on LinkedIn, I've used it to land interviews, creating connections, and stay ahead in the tech world. There are also other platforms out there for professional networking, but personally, I still stick to LinkedIn because it's the largest professional network, has a strong recruiter visibility, and of course allows you to build a credible personal brand in your industry. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know to create a professional LinkedIn profile that gets noticed, whether you're in tech or any other field. So let's dive right in. LinkedIn isn't just another social media platform. It's your online resume, your professional portfolio, and a really good tool for creating personal branding. All of them rolled into one simple product. So in this video, I'll cover how to craft the perfect headline and summary, what skills to add to attract recruiters, tips for showcasing your experience in the best light, and finally, how to network effectively without being spammy. Oh, and stick around till the end because I'll share the exact strategy I used to build my network and also land my dream opportunities. So first thing first, profile picture and the banner. First impression matter. I want to repeat it again. First impression matter. Choose a clean, professional headshot. It doesn't have to be fancy. Just make sure you're dressed appropriately for your industry. The lighting should be good, and of course, you're smiling confidently. You need to know that this headshot shouldn't be something really formal, but of course, you have to know the difference between, for example, some social media like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional space for you to showcasing your work, your values, your experiences, and the headshot should be something semi-formal to formal. Next, update your banner. This is a hugely overlooked area. Use something that reflects your career or industry. For example, as a software engineer, you can add a banner with code snippet, a sleek tech design, or even your company logo. Let's also show you what I did for myself. As you can see here, this is my own banner. It's not something really fancy. I used Canva to create it. As you can see, I didn't use any code snippets or any particular things that related to just software engineering or whatever. But I have this, for example, laptop here, and of course, I love coffee. I really love coffee. And if you also see my other videos, if I can, I just put something about coffee in the middle of my videos. So the next thing is my name here, my title, which is, for example, senior software engineer, and of course, for example, my ID that is used for my LinkedIn profile. And yeah, that's it. It's simple, elegant, and shows who I am, what I do, and yeah. The topic about headlines is really important. Your headline is prime real estate, so don't underestimate it. Instead of using something like software engineer or job seeker, be as specific as possible and of course value driven. For example, senior software engineer building scalable web applications, Python and React specialist. Or if you're in a different field, you can use marketing expert or marketing specialist, driving growth with data-driven campaigns or something similar. Let me also show you how I've used this part. As you can see here in my headline, I've mentioned that I'm a senior software engineer at some kind of company that I'm currently working. Then for example, technologies that I use, PHP, Symfony, Laravel or whatever, MySQL, NoSQL, And another level of showcasing what I do, for example, clean code advocate and efficient problem solver. These two things are kind of not a specific skill, but something that you as a senior engineer should have. So it is also something that, as you can see, I included here. The key is to use keywords that a recruiter might search for. Here's where you get to tell your story. Think of your summary as your elevator pitch. Who you are, what you do, and what makes you stand out. For example, start with your professional identity. I'm a senior software engineer with over 10 years of experience in backend and full stack development. Then share your unique value. I specialize in building scalable systems that have powered millions of users globally. And finally, end with your goals. I'm passionate about creating impactful software, and I'm currently looking for opportunities in innovative, fast-paced environments. So as you can see here, this is my summary. For example, as a senior software engineer at my current company, I'm passionate about creating scalable and robust solutions for digital media and e-commerce and SaaS businesses, blah, blah, blah. You can also see other things that I put here. Also, I mentioned, for example, in my previous roles, I have successfully implemented and internationalized various product data processes, microservices, and so on, which is some kind of practical examples or practical skills that I did or I gained during my previous roles and previous experiences. So it can also be helpful. And at the end, you can see kind of my goal. For example, I enjoy working in international and high-functioning teams, and I'm always eager to learn new skills and technologies. And don't forget to sprinkle in some personality. You're not just a resume, you're a person. So let's also recruiters see the person behind the resume and this LinkedIn profile. The next part about listing relevant experiences is also really important. When adding your work experience, focus on accomplishments, not just job duties. Instead of saying developed software, say developed and deployed a Python-based microservices architecture that improved the scalability by 14%. Recruiters really love numbers and statistics. So for each job, try to include 2 to 3 specific achievements and measurable outcomes. Just make sure they're true and backed up with facts and explanations. Trust me, you'll most likely be asked about these in job interviews. The skills are what make your profile show up in recruiter searches. Make sure to list the top skills relevant to your industry. For example, as a software engineer, skills like Python, JavaScript, and cloud computing, for example, are a must. So if you have them, you definitely have to put them on top. Also, reach out to former colleagues or classmates to endorse your skills. A little mutual endorsement goes a long way. LinkedIn endorsements can enhance your profile's visibility and credibility. When recruiters see multiple endorsements for key skills from trusted connections, it builds trust and also credibility. According to this LinkedIn survey that you see here, additionally, profiles with recommendations receive 14 times more profile views. Therefore, while endorsements alone may not guarantee job opportunities, they contribute to a more robust and discoverable profile. Networking is what makes LinkedIn a really powerful platform. But let's face it, no one really likes so many spammy connection requests. So I want to also give you some tips and tools when you want to send some connection requests to anyone around you and in your industry. So, step 1. Personalize your invitations. Mention how you know the person or why you want to connect. The next step, engage with their posts. Leave meaningful comments and start conversations. And step 3, join relevant groups. For example, for software engineers, groups like AI enthusiasts or full stack developers are great for finding like-minded professionals. To find groups that align with your interests, use LinkedIn search function to explore communities such as Global Information Technology Professionals Association or Information Security Carriers Network (ISCN). Engaging in these groups can help you stay updated on industry trends and expand your professional network. So as you also can see here, I've used the search functionality to search for latest in AI. When you are in this page, you see different tabs or different buttons. For example, posts, people, jobs, companies, products, groups, and so on and so forth. So as I also mentioned, we have groups here. You can click on groups and you can choose which of these group you want to join. For example, as you can see, and this one already has 919 members, so maybe you can join this group. And when you join in a group, you can also go there, and yeah, whatever you post here, it directly goes to the homepage of this group. Whoever that already is a member can see your post and engage with your post. As you can see, for example, this post has already 3 likes or whatever, and it really can help you get along in this community and find different like-minded people here. And maybe some of these connections even can really help you in the future. So the golden rule here is not just taking something. Also, you have to give some value. For example, share and comment on different discussions, different articles, engage with people, engage with different topics or articles that you're seeing, and help others whenever you can. That's it. With a polished LinkedIn profile, you're not just catching the eye of recruiters, but also you can create meaningful and powerful professional relationships. So guys, if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future content. And you can also connect with me on LinkedIn. I'll put the URL of my profile somewhere here or here. You can check it out, and I'll be happy to connect with you on LinkedIn. And also don't forget to stick around, because next week, as a complement to this video today, I want to share some more tips about how you can have a more professional LinkedIn profile. And for most of you, it can be really helpful and game changer in your careers. Thank you guys. Till next one. Bye.